In today's video, I'm going to teach you organize your projects and work with Perplexity Spaces. First, head over to Perplexity in your browser. Once you're on the home page, look for the Spaces tab. This is the hub designed specifically for organizing your projects, research, and ongoing tasks. Think of a space as a dedicated workspace for one project or theme. Using Spaces keeps everything related to a topic in one place, so you don't have to hunt through scattered notes or files later. Inside the Spaces tab, create a space for the project you're working on, then give it a clear name and a short, helpful description. The name should be specific enough that you recognize it at a glance, like website redesign or Q1 market research. In the description, add a sentence or two about the goal or scope. That context will help you and your collaborators immediately understand what belongs there, and it sets expectations for what the space should contain. With your space set up, start adding the materials you need. You can attach files such as documents, slides, images, or spreadsheets. Keep file names clear and versioned if needed, so you always know which is the most current. If your work lives online, paste links to sources, dashboards, reports, or tools. Add a short note to each link explaining why it's there, so you don't have to reopen it later to remember its purpose. Next, add instructions. These are great for outlining how to approach the work inside this space. For example, describe the process you want to follow, the research questions you're trying to answer, or the standards and formats to use. Writing instructions in simple, action-oriented language keeps everyone aligned and reduces back and forth. Finally, add tasks. Break your project into actionable steps so you can track progress inside the space. Make each task specific and achievable, and group them in a way that mirrors your workflow, such as planning, drafting, review, and finalization. If a task depends on a file or link, reference it right in the task's notes so everything connects. As you work, keep your space tidy. Update the description if the scope changes, archive files you no longer need, and refine tasks as you gain clarity. The more consistent you are with names, descriptions, and structure, the easier it becomes to revisit the space weeks or months later and instantly pick up where you left off. That's all you need to get organized with Perplexity Spaces. Go to Perplexity, use the Spaces tab, name and describe each space, and add your files, links, instructions, and tasks to keep everything on track.